Welcome to my channel French Pulse. Let's enjoy learning French. Today we are going to learn negation in French. How do we make a sentence or turn a sentence into negative in French? Well, you need to put ne before the verb and pas after the verb. So here we go, ne before the verb and pas after the verb. So it's ne plus verb plus pas. But suppose the verb begins with a vowel or silent H, then we have to use N apostrophe plus verb plus pas. What are my vowels in French? A, E, I, O, U and Y, and even before silent H. Let's look at a few examples to understand negation. Let's look at examples. Il aime la glace. First of all, you need to identify the verb. Aim is a verb here. Put ne before the verb. This verb begins with a vowel, so N apostrophe pas la glace. So, il n'aime pas la glace. Let's take another example. Habite. The verb is habite. So, elle habite à Lyon. Put ne before the verb. It begins with a silent H, so N apostrophe and pas after the verb. So, elle n'habite pas à Lyon. Je regarde la télé. My verb is regarde. Put ne before regarde and pas after the verb. So, je ne regarde pas la télé. Nous parlons anglais. My verb is parlons. Put ne before the verb. Ne plus verb plus pas. So, my answer would be nous ne parlons pas anglais. I hope you have understood how to make sentences negative in French. Click the link in the description box for exercises on the same. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Au revoir et à bientôt.